Hello students, welcome to my class today. Today we will start a new section of differential equation which is called linear differential equation, and this is very important. One question from this part is usually in our question papers. First, let us identify the form of linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form where P and Q are constants or functions of x. Is known as linear differential equation. Okay. This is differential equation of in y. It may happen a differential equation in the form dx dy plus px equals to p. Here p comma q are constants or functions of y. In this case, constants are function of x. In this case, constants are function of y. This is a linear differential equation, and to solve this type of equation, for this equation you have to multiply both sides of the equation by the integrating factor e to the power integration p dx, and here you have to multiply both sides by the integrating factor e to the power integration p dy. Okay, let us start solving problems. Number 1, dy dx minus y by x is equals to 2x square. Let us first write the equation rigorously in the form linear differential equation. For this I am writing in this way: dy dx plus within first bracket minus 1 by x into y, then 2x square. Now compare this with the general form dy dx plus py equals to q. Here p is minus 1 by x and q is 2x square. So here the integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx, that is e to the power integration minus 1 by x dx. So this will be e to the power minus ln x. So this actually minus 1 by x. So number it by 1. Now write, multiplying both sides of 1 by minus 1 by x, we get minus 1 by x dy dx plus 1 by x square minus 2x. Now you can write the left hand side in this way, that dependent variable y into the integrating factor. Check product rule, apply product rule, dy dx minus 1 by x unchanged, then y unchanged, derivative of minus 1 by x is plus 1 by x square. So you can write this in this form. This is minus 2x. Then you can write d of minus 1 by x equals to minus 2x dx. Now integrating both sides, you have integration d of minus y by x minus 2 integration x dx. This will be minus y by x equals to minus half x square. So this will be x square plus c. So if you write this minus c, you can write minus c. Then multiply both sides by minus x, you get y equals to x cube plus cx. This is our general solution where c is an arbitrary constant. You have to write here, this is the general solution of the given differential equation where c is an arbitrary constant. Okay. Next question. dy dx over 2 dy dx plus y by 2x is equal to 3x square. Write this first in the standard form, dy dx plus 1 by 2x into y 3x square. Look here, p is 1 by 2x, q is 3x square. Mind it, this is not mandatory to write this. In the initial progress I am writing this for the convenience of you, so that you can follow the solution comparing with the standard form. This is number 1. Now integrating factor is e to the power integration p dx, that is this e to the power half ln x, this is actually root x. Now multiplying both sides of 1 by root x, we get root x dy dx plus 1 by 2 root x 3x to the power 5 by 2. Now you can write the left hand side in this way, ddx of, first write the dependent variable y, then write the integrating factor. Now check dy dx, y and we have missed here writing y unchanged, then root x derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x 3x to the power 5 by 2. Then we can write d of y root x is equals to 3x to the power 5 by 2 dx. Now integrating both sides, we have integration d of y root x 3 integration x to the power 5 by 2 dx. X to the power 5 by 2 plus 1, that is x to the power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2, that is into 2 by 7 plus left right the constant as c by 7. Or there write c. Now divide both sides by root x, you get y equals to 3 x to the power 3. 7 by 2 minus half, 6 by 2, 3. Now this will be 6 by 7, sorry, plus c into x to the power minus 1. This is our general solution. Number 3. X in x dy dx plus y is equal to 2 by x in x. first make it the standard form of linear differential equation. So divide both sides by x ln x. You have dy dx plus 1 by x ln x into y 2 by x square. This is our standard equation. So this is p. So now our integrating factor is e to the power integration 1 by x ln x dx. Look, 1 by x dx is d of ln x. D of ln x by ln x, so ln of ln x. E to the power ln of ln x. So ultimately you get ln x. Now multiply both sides of 1 by ln x, you get ln x dy dx plus 1 by xy is equals to 2 by x square ln x. Now I am writing ddx of first dependent variable into integrating factor. Check dy dx, y unchanged 1 by x. Okay. 2 by x square ln x. Then y ln x 2 by x square ln x dx. Then integrating both sides, we have integration d of y ln x. Here it is twice integration ln x dx by x square. So let us put let ln x equals to z. That implies dx by x equals to dz. So the right hand side becomes 2 ln x is z, dx by x is dz, and by x is e to the power z. So this is z e to the power minus z dz. We have to do by parts here. 2 third bracket. Here z has to be taken as first function. So z integration e to the power minus z dz minus integration second bracket ddz of z integration e to the power minus z dz second bracket closed dz third bracket closed. This is 2 integration. This is minus z e to the power minus z. This is 1 minus comes outside plus e to the power minus z dz. Let me change my chalk. This becomes twice integration minus z e to the power minus z minus e to the power minus z plus c. So you can write minus 2 e to the power minus z into z plus 1 plus c. Let us erase this. You get integrating y ln x equals to minus 2 e to the power minus z. X is e to the power z, so e to the power minus z is 1 by x. 1 by x within bracket z is ln x plus 1 plus c. This is our general solution. Y ln x is equals to minus 2 by x into ln x plus 1 plus c. This will be models. Okay. So let us have a break. After a short break, I am coming with the same topic after a few minutes. Okay.